All right, here we're going to try to find the factors of a number using what's called trial and error. A calculator is a really great tool for finding factors of a number. All we have to do is this process. We're going to divide the number in question by the small natural numbers until we've revealed all of its factors. I'll do, for example, the number 8. Let's say we want to find all the factors of 8. All it requires is just punching into calculator 8 divided by some small natural numbers such as, let's start with 1. Punch that into your calculator and on my screen 8 divided by 1 will give me just 8. Now since 8 is a natural number, that means that both 1 and 8 are factors of 8. So there we go. Just by doing that, we identified two factors of 8. Now let's try 8 divided by 2. What do we get there? The calculator will tell you 4. Since 4 is a natural number, this means that both 2 and 4 are factors of 8. It's a great process because you can find two factors at once. Not only is the number that you divided by a factor, but the result that you get is a factor too. Now we could try other possibilities such as 8 divided by 3. Now if you put that in calculator and you have the calculator configured to give you a decimal answer, you're going to get 2.666 repeating. Now since this is not a natural number, that means 3 is not a factor of 8. Okay, as you can see over here in the chart that I've already written out, the factors of 8 are 2, 4, and 8. And of course, 1 is actually a factor of any number. So the factors are 1, 2, 4, and 8.